At 7SearchPPC, we strongly believe that content is not the real king, it's the kingdom, built by the publisher who is the true king. To fairly reward them for their content, we offer a super simple process to join us. Just head to 7SearchPPC's homepage and click on the Register button to begin the registration process. Select Publisher option and click on Continue. You will land on a sign-up page. Enter your first and last name as shown. Now type your email ID and phone number carefully. Make sure provided details are accessible for completing the verification step. Now, select your preferred platform to stay updated on the latest earning opportunities, special bonuses, and newly added features for publishers. In this example, we're selecting WhatsApp and entering a preferred number. In the password section, create a strong password that you'll use to log into your publisher account later. Now check the boxes to confirm that you agree to the terms and privacy policy, and also to receive promotional offer emails from 7SearchPPC. Click on the Create an Account button, and we'll handle the rest from there. A one-time password, OTP, has now been sent to your registered email address. Open your inbox, copy the code, and enter it on the registration page. Once done, click the Verify button to move forward. That's it! You'll be automatically redirected to your brand new publisher dashboard, which is now live. Alternatively, you can log in anytime by visiting our homepage and selecting Login as Publisher. Need assistance? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Thank you for choosing 7SearchPPC. Welcome aboard!